Welcome back. Good evening. Welcome back to our lesson. Today we are going to look at this concept of simple trigonometric ratios. So in trigonometric ratios, we are going to discuss mainly the three common trigonometric ratios, which are the sine, cosine, and tangent. We will discuss that with reference to a triangle, which we have here. Our triangle has three sides, which is the base, the height, and the hypotenuse. When we are doing the trigonometric ratios, we normally refer to these signs in reference to the angle that we are finding as the opposite side, adjacent side, and the hypotenuse remains still to be the hypotenuse. So we are going to reference our angles to our equation to angle theta, and you can see on the angle theta, the side which is on the opposite side, which we refer to as the opposite, is 3. The dimension are 3 units. The side which touches that angle and yet it is not the hypotenuse is called the adjacent side, which you can also see there. So we have the opposite side, we also have the adjacent side, and the other side is called the hypotenuse, and in this case our hypotenuse is 5 units. So we are going to use this formula to get the sine, cosine, and tangent of angles. The sine is given by opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. The cosine is given by the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. The tangent of an angle is given by the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. For those who are familiar with the abbreviation, we use this abbreviations can be used to find can be summarized into a formula called SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. S refers to the sine, which is given by the O, which is the opposite, divided by the H, which is the adjacent, which is the hypotenuse, and then Ka means cosine, is the adjacent side, that stands for A, divided by the hypotenuse, and then TOA, which is T for tangent, is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we will start by finding the sine of theta. So sine theta is given by the opposite side, which is 3. You can look at the opposite side in our diagram, which is 3, divided by the hypotenuse side, which is 5. Cosine of theta is given by the adjacent side, which is 4. You can see the side which is just there 4, which touches the angle, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 5. Tangent is given by the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So the opposite side is 3 and then the adjacent side is 4. So those are our three trigonometric ratios. Thank you.